nights are coming, summer is long gone. My love for you is growing, my love for you is strong. Will you take me, darling? Just take me as I am. I know that I'm not perfect, but I will love you in every way I can. So let me love you like you want me to, and I will be here forever and a day. So let me love you like you want me to, and I will be here forever and a day.
No one can be certain if this is worth the fight. Let your conscience guide you to the answer that is right. Oh,
love is not a language,
love is not a language
that we always choose to speak. And I know that without it, my principles are weak. So let me love you like you want me to, and I will be here forever and a day. So let me love you like you want me to, and I will be here forever and a day. Dive into the uncertainty and run. You'll feel a different kind of free. Dive into the uncertainty and run. You'll feel a different kind of free. Dive into the uncertainty and run. You'll feel a different kind of free. Dive into the uncertainty and run. You'll feel a different kind of free. Dive into the uncertainty and run. You'll feel a different kind of free. So let me love you like you want me to, and I will be here forever and a day. Let me love you like you want me to, and I will be here forever kind of free. And I will be here forever and a day.
ever and a day.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. You have to forgive us, we're slightly stressed. Wall and I have been rehearsing in West Wales today, so we've literally motored down the M4, stuck in traffic, so we've got here and we're a little bit sweaty, a little bit worse for wear, but we're going to sing for you as best as we can. So it's the lovely Miriam on my left, who's a songstress, and then Wall, who's going to be playing double bass. We're going to play some of my own songs, and if you do like what you hear, we're selling our wares at the front, so just come and grab me at the end.
Don't literally grab him.
You can if you want. Do you ever think about what you're missing? Do you ever think about what you've lost? I can't imagine life around you without you. And no one tells you what it costs. You always give away without taking. Your heart is kind and your love is strong. If I imagine being even half of who you are, when you're not here, you won't be gone. You are ready to fly on. Don't be worried, the pain is gone. You've been waiting for too long. It's time to spread your wings and fly on. You dip your toes into the water to feel the cool upon your skin. And in that moment you are ready. Just like a child you jump right in, realizing you're not broken, but you've never been the one to run. And even in the dark I am not blinded, 'cause in my sky you are the sun. You are ready to fly on. Don't be worried, the pain is gone. You've been waiting for too long. It's time to spread your wings and fly on. Go ahead 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 and fly on. You are ready to fly on. The pain is gone. You've been waiting for too long. It's time to spread your wings and fly on.
Thank you very much. So, Wall's lovely grandson, who's a personal favourite of mine, Mabon, has just walked in, so autographs anyone, he's the biggest legend in the world.
Oh.
Okay, we're going to play a song which is off my first EP now. It's a song called Wait For You, which you can find on YouTube and all other normal places that you can now find people.
And I was walking through the fire, like a soul without a name. And it's my one and true desire to find out why I came. Beyond the flame amidst the darkness, oh, my heart is torn in two. But in the time it takes to fix it, the pieces strengthened forged by you. I've been waiting for you, no matter how long, even if it takes me to a place forgotten and hazy. I've been looking through the smoke and noise of a woman, and I will wait for you. Sometimes the moments echo gently, and sometimes resonate too loud.
But it's the memories in silence
that leave us resolutely bound. I will wait for you, no matter how long, even if it takes me to a place forgotten and hazy. I've been looking through the smoke and noise of a woman, and I will wait for you. Thank you very much. So we're going to do a little cover for you now, see if we can do a song that you might recognise. So I should probably explain as well, I'm using a little loop pedal. You might have seen them before. So all of my instruments are plugged into this magic little pedal down here, and I can record stuff and create a sound that's bigger than just us, hopefully. So yes, enjoy this little tune. sunshine when she's gone. It's not warm when she's away. Ain't no sunshine when she's gone, and she's always gone too long. Anytime she goes away, wonder this time where she's gone. And I wonder if she's gonna stay. There ain't no sunshine when she's gone, and this house just ain't no home anytime she goes away. Anytime she goes away. Sunshine when she's gone, and she's always gone too long. Sunshine when she's gone, and it's only darkness every day. There ain't no sunshine when she's gone, and this house just ain't no home anytime she goes away. Anytime she goes away. No. Here you go.
Okay, thank you very much. Very kind. So we're going to do a song now, which was the sixth track of our EPs, which are conveniently placed rather scattered down here. So if anyone does want to buy them, they're £4. They're very cheap. And it's the sixth track of that EP. It's called "Sat by the Sea."
Lights shine bright into the night, but all I knew was out of sight. When you left, you took a little piece of me, left behind a piece of you so I'd be free. Time will fly with memory, hope and sadness in the breeze. There's a cold that slowly brushes against me. I feel humble, gracious, full with dignity. We'll run away, just you and me. Pack our bags and live for free. Let's find a little house that's set just by the sea. Do nothing but be you and I'll be me.
Dream a weekend, live to dream. Real and pretend, no in between. Even though I know the best's already been, I know we still got plenty more to see.
We'll run away, just you and me. Pack our bags and live for free. Let's find a little house that's set just by the sea. Do nothing but be you and I'll be me. Do nothing but be you and I'll be me. If all we got is us, and what we got is all we need. If all we got is us, and what we got is all we need. We'll run away, just you and me. Pack our bags and live for free. Let's find a little house that's set just by the sea. And do nothing but be you and I'll be me. We'll run away, just you and me. Pack our bags and live for free. Let's find a little house that's set just by the sea. Do nothing but be you and I'll be me. Do nothing but be you and I'll be me. Do nothing but be you and I'll be me. Thank you very much. I'm going to move on to the piano for this next track. I'm not being rude, turning away from you. I've just incapacitated with the piano. By the way, that last song, the key lyric there is, do nothing but be you and I'll be me. I've realised that sometimes I say Hugh, and it's not about a long-lost chap called Hugh. It's you, just to clarify. So this next track is called Guide You Home. I've been lucky enough to spend the last week in Cornwall with my family. And this track is kind of inspired by that. It's about finding a place, or might be a town or a house, just somewhere that you like to go and kind of be loved by your family, love your family, and just kind of feel warm and gooey. So that's what this song's about. It's called Guide You Home. When the black that's before us is gone, and the ghosts that would haunt us are lost, all that I am, all I've become, is to roam. It's the lost that will lead us to light. So in darkness, don't give up the fight. You are my heart, you are my soul, you are my sun. Take me back to where we belong. Go rest your head on my chest. Let my warm beating heart guide you home. Guide you home. They say all the glitters ain't gold. lost is there to be found. So those that ain't blind, take me back to where we belong. Go rest your head on my chest, let my warm beating heart, oh my strong beating heart, guide you home. You down from now on, I won't let you down, and I won't let you down from now on, I won't let you down, and I won't let you down from now on, I won't let you down, and I won't let you down from now on, I won't let you down. Take me back to where we belong. Go rest your head on my chest, let my warm beating heart, oh my strong beating heart, oh my warm beating heart, guide you home. Thank you very much. Thank you. So thank you so much for listening and for taking time to sit down and have a listen. If you're going to enjoy the show, please do have a good one. It's going to be our last song. It's a song called Feel the Light, and it's about being a musician and doing something that perhaps doesn't always pay that well, but you do it because you kind of have a love for the job. So my name's Tim Cronin. Miriam, well, thank you so much to you guys. We'll see you soon. Clap before the song, that's a first. Don't speak too soon. Scared of change, it's okay to face what it is you fear. Be the light you seek, mean the words you speak. You wanna do it to get it done, and we're all looking for that golden ticket, hoping that we're something different. But who's to really say? Don't go wishing you were at the top. It's a walk that matters, not the stop. Love what you do, 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 love what you do. Feel the light, feel the light. We're gonna set this world on fire. Feel the light, feel the light. We're gonna set this world on fire. No, no. Battles can be won by old and young. It's a soul that never dies. Roads can't be undone by those that run from what makes them feel alive. No one's saying they aren't always true, but we say them for a reason too. Anything worth having you must fight for. Be the artist drawing out your fate. Don't be ready when the time's too late. So love what you do, 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 love what you do. Feel the light, feel the light. We're gonna set this world on fire. Feel the light, feel the light. We're gonna set this world on fire. Feel the light, feel the light. We're gonna set this world on fire. Feel the light, feel the light. We're gonna set this world on fire. Feel the light, feel the light. We're gonna set this world on fire. Feel the light, feel the light. We're gonna set this world on fire. Won't you follow me?
We're gonna set
Won't you follow me?
Feel the light.
Won't you follow
Feel the
me into
We're
the
gonna set this world
light?
on fire. Feel the light.
Feel the light. We're gonna set this world on fire. Feel the light, feel the light. We're gonna set this world on fire. Thank you very much. We'll see you soon. Have a good night. Thank you.